Hello, my dear students. Today we are discuss about another type of reaction, and its name is displacement reaction. Before we are discuss about displacement reaction, we are must we discuss a word, a displacement. What is the meaning of a displacement? Displacement means to move one thing by another thing. According to this basic phenomena, these reactions are occur in chemical science. Let us define what is displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element, concentrate here, a more reactive element displace a less reactive element, displace a less reactive element from its compound. This type of reaction is known as a displacement reaction. Let us take an example in of a displacement reaction. Reaction of iron nail with a copper sulfate solution. Example: reaction of a iron nail with copper sulfate solution. Let us write a chemical equation of this statement. Here, iron nail, it is denoted by Fe. Iron form is it is in solid form. Now, copper sulfate. Solution form, it means it is in aqueous form. It gives ferrous sulfate. It is in form of aqueous form, and copper, it is in form of solid. Here, firstly, we are underline or highlight a main keywords of this displacement reaction. A more reactive element displace a less reactive element from its compound. Here you can notice that Fe is replaced Cu in form of CuSO4. By other word, you can say that Cu is replaced by Fe. So here Fe is more reactive in compared to copper. So it is removed and Fe is placed in with SO4 ion. So basically it is your displacement reaction. If you have faced some problem in any topic of standard 10 science, you can comment me. I am prepare a video lecture on it. Thank you.